This is a little quarantine glow up brought to you by Naomi.
Yeah, life on the live it.
One and only Naomi. You already know.
It's lash time. We're putting on the lashes.
Oh, hold on. Oh, you got it right. But you gotta do that again. Do that again, because I was talking. It's lash time.
It's lash time. Put on some lashes, honey. Pressing them in. We have this one on already. Now we're just doing this one. You guys can see how pretty these are. Test them in a little bit. I did almost like an Arabic look type eye with a very defined crease. We did a very wispy lash. Before she opens, I'm gonna go over her liner to make sure it's blue.
Every device related to the Unabomber's crimes. With
Every drop of that lash juice.
they were now able to establish an with no options. He pled guilty to all Unabomber-related
Look
crimes.
up at the ceiling.
He was given 4 life sentences
Hey,
plus
look at
30
these
years.
lashes, honey.
He would never be
Look inside.
eligible
Turn
for
and look.
parole.
Guys, see how beautiful these lashes are?
For
Yeah, that
Agent
makes
Terry
it
Church,
gorgeous. Close your
the
eyes, stop.
Unabomber investigation
So you can see
shows
it real
the
good.
FBI's determination to never quit until
Open.
justice is served,
Stunning.
no matter how long.
We're doing the lip now. I'm using MAC Chestnut. Super pretty. I love brown pencils on her.
In June,
you guys see, you want to create almost like a nice frame of the lip first. Open up. All the way see how pretty that nude lip comes together? Super gorgeous. I'm like blinded by the light, but I know I'll see it in a second. See, it's starting to look okay. The lip came together beautifully.
Oh my God! Wow!
Seal the deal. Close your eyes. She's set and snatched. Gorgeous.
Hey. I'll go ahead and put some pictures in so you guys can see the before and after. This is a little quarantine glow up. Brought to you by Naomi. Real hot. Thank you.
Happy anniversary.
Huge shout out to one of our TSF bosses, All Things Cassandra. On her channel, you can find lifestyle, motherhood, and careers. Go ahead and check her out and let her know Fallon from the Spencer family sent you. Here are some words from our amazing team. We have the best YouTube group. Here you can see how our group has helped each and every one of these members. I'm only going to post a few because I don't want to make this video super long, but after reading this, if you would like to join, go ahead and hit that join button below. Read some more about what we can do for you, and hopefully we can get you monetized and some great results for you. Peace and blessings to all. See you on the next episode.